Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix the wish list does not show up with me on Temu. So for that you need to go to your settings, and on settings go to your apps, and from there you just need to open Temu. And after you open Temu, you just need to clear the cache and the storage data. All right, after clearing these two files, make sure that your Temu application is updated. For in my case it's updated. If it's not in your case, then update it. After that your problem will be fixed. Hope this video is helpful. If it is helpful, then please click the like button.